55 legit ways to make money online. Look at a glance. Number 1, participate in market research. Number 2, complete affiliate offers. Number 3, sell old phones or technology. Number 4, start investing. Number 5, earn cashback and rewards online. Number 6, sell your unused internet connection. Number 7, start a blog. Number 8, invest in real estate. Number 9, earn money by playing mobile games. Number 10, become a proofreader. Number 11, start a dropshipping business. Number 12, manage Facebook ads for businesses. Number 13, work as a virtual assistant. Number 14, transcribe audio files. Number 16, complete micro tasks. Number 17, invest in fine art. Number 18, teach English as a second language. Number 19, host a digital course. Number 20, sell your unused gift cards. Number 21, buy and sell domain names. Number 22, become a private tutor. Number 23, get paid to test websites. Number 24, write for websites and business owners. Number 25, pick up freelance work. Number 26, flip Facebook Marketplace finds. Number 27, sell what you make on Etsy. Number 28, create YouTube content. Number 29, sell your gently used clothing. Number 30, work as a matchmaker. Number 31, teach business owners how to use Asana. Number 32, create an app. Number 33, start a paid membership community. Number 34, sell your personal photos. Number 35, offer virtual interior design consults. Number 36, self-publish an ebook. Number 37, become a voiceover artist. Number 38, sell digital products. Number 39, sell your homegrown produce. Number 40, work for a call center. Number 41, apply to work as a data entry specialist. Number 42, design and sell t-shirts. Number 43, offer consulting services. 44, coach in your area of expertise. Number 45, start a new online business. Number 46, sign up for a food delivery service. Number 47, do bookkeeping for local businesses. Number 48, pet sit at your house. Number 49, rent out your space. Number 50, offer at-home daycare. Number 51, work as a mystery shopper. Number 52, sell your favorite recipes. Number 53, fix broken gadgets for neighbors. Number 54, let companies advertise on your phone. Number 55, teach fitness classes.
Welcome to our comprehensive guide on making money online through 55 legitimate ways. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a new venture, there's something here for everyone. In today's digital age, the possibilities for earning money online are vast and varied. From participating in market research to launching your own blog, the opportunities are as diverse as they are accessible. Our goal is to provide you with a roadmap to financial independence by exploring these online income opportunities. This video caters to a wide range of skills and lifestyles, ensuring that no matter your background or expertise, you can find a method that suits you. We'll delve into methods that are not only legitimate but also proven to be effective. You'll learn about platforms that pay for your opinions, how to monetize your hobbies, and ways to invest with minimal capital. Each segment introduces you to an online earning method, offering insights into how you can get started and what you can expect. As we embark on this journey, remember that success lies in choosing the right path for you. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to transition into a new career, these methods can help you achieve your financial goals. If you're ready to explore the world of online income opportunities, stay tuned. We'll guide you through each method, providing tips and resources to help you get started. Let's unlock the potential of the internet and discover how you can make money online, right from the comfort of your home. Participating in online surveys is one of the simplest ways to earn extra cash from home. By sharing your opinions on various topics, you provide valuable insights to companies eager to understand consumer preferences. Websites like branded surveys make this process straightforward, rewarding you with cash or gift cards for each survey completed. It's a flexible opportunity that fits into any schedule, allowing you to earn at your own pace. With the growing demand for market research, there's no shortage of surveys to take. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or just earn some extra spending money, engaging in market research can be rewarding. So why not give it a try and see how your opinions can translate into tangible rewards? Start exploring platforms today and discover how easy it is to turn your thoughts into cash. Affiliate marketing is a powerful tool for anyone looking to monetize their online presence. It involves partnering with companies to promote their products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. Imagine being rewarded simply for sharing products you genuinely love. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer vast networks of affiliate programs, catering to a wide range of interests and niches. Whether you run a blog, manage a YouTube channel, or have a strong social media following, affiliate marketing can provide a steady stream of income. The key is to choose products that resonate with your audience and integrate them naturally into your content. By doing so, you enhance your credibility and build trust with your followers. With dedication and strategic promotion, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to supplement or even replace your traditional income. Start exploring these opportunities today and watch your online earnings grow. Have you ever wondered what to do with those old electronics gathering dust in your home? It's time to turn those unused gadgets into cash. Platforms like Declutter make it easy to sell your old phones, tablets, or other tech you no longer need. Not only does this help you declutter your space, but it also puts extra money in your pocket. Plus, by recycling your electronics, you're contributing to a more sustainable environment. It's a win-win situation. You get to make money from items that were just lying around, and you help reduce electronic waste. So, take a look around your home, gather up those forgotten devices, and see how much you can earn. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your income while making a positive impact on the planet. Imagine turning your spare change into a stepping stone toward financial independence. With apps like Acorns, this is not just a possibility, but a reality for many. By rounding up your everyday purchases, these platforms automatically invest your small amounts into diversified portfolios. It's a simple and effective way to start growing your savings. Whether you're new to investing or just looking for a hassle-free way to enhance your financial future, these micro-investment apps offer a user-friendly entry point into smart investing. Think of it as planting seeds for your future, small contributions that can blossom into significant savings. So why wait? Start investing your spare change today and watch your financial landscape transform, one purchase at a time. This is not just about saving money. It's about making your money work for you, paving the way for a more secure financial future. In today's digital age, saving money while you shop has never been easier. Cashback apps are revolutionizing how we view everyday purchases. Imagine earning rewards just by buying the things you already need. Popular platforms like Rockhead-Kerr and Honey offer cashback on a wide range of products and services. It's as simple as signing up, shopping through their links, and watching the savings add up. Whether you're purchasing groceries, clothing, or electronics, these apps turn your spending into smart savings. So why not make your money work for you? By utilizing cashback programs, you're not just spending, you're investing in your financial future. It's a straightforward, effective way to keep more of your hard-earned cash. And with the holiday season approaching, there's no better time to start maximizing your savings. Remember, every little bit counts toward achieving financial independence. Dive into the world of cashback and rewards and start turning your shopping habits into a source of savings today. Starting a blog is more than just a creative outlet. It's a pathway to potential income. By sharing your passion or expertise, you can build a platform that resonates with readers and generates revenue. Through advertising and affiliate marketing, your blog can become a sustainable source of income. Imagine turning your hobbies into a profitable venture. It requires dedication, but the rewards can be substantial. Whether you're passionate about cooking, travel, or tech, there's an audience eager to engage with your content. As your blog grows, so does the potential for long-term income. It's about creating value and sharing it with the world. So if you've ever thought about blogging, now's the time to start. With the right approach, you can turn your interests into a thriving business. Remember, it's not just about making money. It's about doing what you love and sharing it with others. Start your blogging journey today and watch your passion turn into profit. Real estate investment has traditionally been reserved for those with significant capital, but now platforms like Fundrise are changing the game. With real estate crowdfunding, you can start investing in property with minimal funds. This approach opens doors to property ownership for more people. By pooling resources with other investors, you can participate in larger projects that would otherwise be out of reach. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a new revenue stream, real estate crowdfunding provides a practical solution. It's an accessible path to property investment, allowing you to grow your financial portfolio without substantial upfront capital. If you're interested in property investment without the traditional barriers, real estate crowdfunding might be the perfect opportunity for you. Imagine getting paid to play games. Sounds like a dream, right? With apps like Cash 'Em All, this dream becomes a reality. These platforms offer a unique opportunity to earn money while indulging in your favorite pastime. Whether you're on a break or looking to unwind, playing mobile games can now be both fun and profitable. It's a perfect blend of entertainment and income, allowing you to turn leisure into a rewarding experience. So, why not explore this exciting avenue and see how your gaming skills can pay off? With a variety of games to choose from, you can find something that suits your interests and start earning today. Remember, it's not just about playing, it's about making the most of your time and turning your passion into profit. Dive into the world of gaming and discover how enjoyable earning can truly be. If you have an eye for detail and a love for language, proofreading services could be your gateway to earning money online. As a proofreader, you ensure that written content is polished and error-free, making it an ideal opportunity for those who thrive on precision. With the rise of digital content, there's a growing demand for skilled proofreaders across various industries. Whether it's correcting grammar, punctuation, or style, your meticulous attention can transform written work into professional masterpieces. This not only offers a chance to earn, but also allows you to contribute to the quality of content being published. Plus, it's a flexible option that can fit into any lifestyle, whether you're looking to supplement your income or transition into a full-time role. If you're detail-oriented and enjoy the nuances of language, consider offering your services online and start perfecting content while making a profit. In the realm of online business, dropshipping stands out as a low-risk opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs. This model allows you to sell products without the burden of maintaining inventory. By leveraging platforms like Shopify, you can easily set up an online store and connect with suppliers who will handle the logistics of shipping products directly to your customers. This means you can focus on marketing and customer service while avoiding the upfront costs typically associated with stocking products. Dropshipping offers an accessible entry point into e-commerce, enabling you to test different products and niches with minimal financial risk. As you build your store, you gain the flexibility to adapt and scale according to market trends and consumer demands. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or dive into full-time entrepreneurship, dropshipping provides a streamlined path to achieving your online business goals. Embrace the potential of selling without inventory and explore the endless possibilities of the digital marketplace. As we conclude our journey through these 55 legitimate ways to make money online, let's reflect on the diverse opportunities we've uncovered. From participating in market research and selling unused electronics, to investing in real estate and launching a dropshipping business, the avenues are as varied as the skills and interests they cater to. Each method offers a unique path to financial growth and independence, tailored to fit your lifestyle and aspirations. Now the power is in your hands. We've provided the roadmap, but it's up to you to take the first step. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, build a new career, or explore new ventures, these opportunities are here for you to seize. We encourage you to explore these methods further, try them out, and find the ones that resonate with you. With persistence and dedication, you can transform these opportunities into a sustainable source of income. As you embark on this journey, keep in mind the potential for growth and the freedom that comes with financial independence. The online world is vast and full of potential, waiting for you to make your mark. So why wait? Start today and take control of your financial future. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of online income opportunities. We hope this guide has inspired you to take action and empowered you to pursue your financial goals. Remember, the journey to financial independence is yours to create. Wishing you all the success in your endeavors.